It's a little bit after midnight, very close to 1 a.m. June 27, 2025. I was here earlier, but you can see the difference now. It's so crowded, it's so beautiful. This is Tel Aviv, my friends. Let me show you it from above. It's only 2 days after the ceasefire, the defeat of Iran, and you can see what's happening now in Tel Aviv. If you saw the video that I took early evening at 8 p.m., you can see the difference now. From here, as I believe, a lot of them will go to the clubs of Tel Aviv. This is only the beginning of the evening. Guys, this is the life of Tel Aviv. I know that in some of the media, you hear a lot about how bad is Israel. Then this is how bad Israel. So bad, which I must say that I love. Well, that's a nightlife. I bet it is. This is the best answer for me for all those people who believe that Israel is a horrible place. Jealousy. All about jealousy. This is the real thing. This is the beautiful of my country. Good music, good food, good alcohol. What do you need more than that on the beginning of the weekend? Guys, I do have more than 21,000 videos of the Holy Land of Israel. A lot of them about the religious places, but not only, as you can see. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. What about my Facebook and Instagram? I mean, look at that. Look at that. This is the real thing. Then you're watching, you know, when I'm getting a lot of comments from people from mostly from Muslim countries about how bad it is to live in Israel. Well, if that is bad, then suffer. This is not bad. This is the best thing that you can ask. You saw that the pedestrian, this is less than that, but soon you will see another option that actually gives you the a little bit the atmosphere of that non-stop city, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Tel Aviv is absolutely one of the best places in the world and the best place in the Middle East, the only democratic place in the Middle East. We are reaching, it's Nahalat Binyamin Street, but we are reaching soon to the another part of the pedestrian. Then don't leave me. Oh, it will be difficult to walk here. And this is the prayer evening or night life, because from here a lot of them will go to the endless clubs of Tel Aviv. Endless. Hi. How are you? Fine. I'm so happy that people went out of the shelter, because this is the real thing. It's not a special evening, it's a regular, oops, wait a minute, sorry, it's a regular evening, evening of the beginning of the weekend. Weekend begins in Israel at Thursday night. Sunday, it's a regular day in Israel. This is the other pedestrian part. And tomorrow it's Friday, yeah, it's gonna be here a beautiful art fair. If you are watching my videos, I'm sure that you saw one of those art fair. It's all about artists who prepare things that they are not selling anywhere except of here. Then it's unique, not cheap, but unique. Guys, it was a pleasure to be with you. I hope that I will see you in my next video. You can understand the idea of Tel Aviv. I'm so happy to live in Israel. I'm so happy to live in Tel Aviv, although my heart belongs to Jerusalem. Bye bye, see you in my next video.